Like, should I even talk? The device was created to be light and thin, so you can hold it in all its postures. Each side of this product is 5.6 millimeters thin. 5.6. It's the thinnest LCD that's ever been created. It's incredible how small it is. I got to be careful. This is the whole thing. You give away all this information a year before your product launches. You start to get a little paranoid. The 360-degree hinge that you see here and what this product can do, and as you feel it, it feels incredible. It's a combination of micro gears adding a torque system that create this perfect feel when opening and closing. There's over 60 micro coax cables that run between these two hinges to create perfect synergy, bringing these two 9-inch screens together. Those coax cables are thinner than a human hair, and they run through to create that perfection between two screens. It's amazing when you put two screens side by side to see how the brain lights up. I've not seen anything like it. Now, the keyboard also magnetically seals to the back of the product and integrates perfectly. And when you fold it, the transition that happens in the perfect flow between Windows, software, the hardware of this device coming to life, it almost feels like you're using the Force when the keyboard comes. You go, what? That's exactly what I expected to happen.
Today, I am proud to introduce Windows 10X. It was designed and optimized for dual screen devices, just like Surface Neo. Okay, so as I'm going through my mail, I come across a link. Watch what happens. As I tap this, you will notice that it launches on the second screen, keeping me in my flow. I can now view that website or continue to go through my mail. Postures, or the different postures and the different positions that we're in during the day, really do matter. As you transition throughout your day with Neo, your experiences follow you in intuitive ways and help you stay in flow. There are many times in my day where I need to send a longer reply or edit a Word document. And for that, I need a real keyboard. Panos talked to you about the elegance of the hardware keyboard. It magnetically attaches, it's wirelessly charging, and it's always there when I need it. But watch this. The magic is really when we marry that with the software. Look at what Neo does. Did you see that? It recognized the keyboard, and it revealed the Wonder Bar. The Wonder Bar is another powerful tool that helps you be even more creative and more productive. It gives you rich, expressive input. It even gives me a full trackpad for mouse and cursor input. And it gives me the ability to ink right on there. What I'm going to do with the ease of interactions in Windows 10X and the presence of the second screen on Surface Neo, I can move my content to the second screen. I hope you've all enjoyed this first look at a few of the new experiences, all powered by Windows 10X on Surface Neo, which is coming to you holiday 2020. Thank you very much.
This is Surface Duo. The premium fit, finish, the thinness, pretty incredible. The two side-by-side 5.6-inch displays come together in an incredibly powerful way, enabling every single one of the postures you see there. And this product brings together the absolute best of Microsoft. And we're partnering with Google to bring together the absolute best of Android into one product. That unique design ethos and innovation that Surface brings with every single app in the Android ecosystem. This is industry-pushing technology. And it's technology pushing possibilities. This is a powerful product. This will come holiday 2020. We are excited to see what you will do with dual screen devices, both across Windows and across Android. And we're even more excited of how developers will create enlightened apps and experiences across both Duo and Neo on any platform.
I'm holding the new Surface Pro 7, redesigned from the inside out. Surface Pro is the most popular 2-in-1 on the market. Over 75% of our Fortune 500 companies purchase Surface devices. And today, we're introducing the next generation. And with the new Surface Pro 7, we wanted to continue to deliver the innovation while maintaining consistency in the features our customers love. And with that target in mind, our design and engineering focus has been on power, performance, and better experiences. Oh, and adding USB-C. It's available for pre-order today, and it starts at only $749. These are the new Surface Earbuds. True wireless earbuds with amazing sound, comfortable to use all day with long battery life, and a little bit of magic. The sound is beautifully tuned, both for your voice and your ear. Each earbud has 2 mics per ear and filters for better noise reduction, letting us pick up your voice rather than the sounds around you. They work on any platform and have 24 hours of battery life. There are touch sensors on each earbud to help you navigate music and calls. You never have to take out your phone. I know that when I'm hiking, if I take out my phone, I'm done. I'll get lost in work. And so we added an intuitive feature to help you stay focused. On Android, with a few simple taps, you can open Spotify, and it will start to play the right music for you in that moment. There's no screen required. You can play, pause, skip, or change the volume with just gestures. Surface Earbuds will be available later this year, starting at $249. We hope you love them. Thank you.
So this is Surface Pro X. It's a cutting-edge 2-in-1. We push the boundaries here. We believe this moves this category forward. It's 5.3 millimeters thin at its thinnest point. It's worth looking at if you can see that. I'll give you a view right here. It's pretty thin. It's incredibly light. Start with the display on this product. This still has that same 12-inch chassis that people that use Surface Pro love. They love. We know that size matters. We don't want to mess with that. However, we have a 13-inch diagonal, so from corner to corner on this screen. We did this by making the thinnest bezels possible on a 2-in-1 and that are out there today. And so when you do that, you get all that screen real estate, gets bigger, it's pretty incredible, but you also keep the same size in the product that matters. The beautiful high contrast on this screen with the high readability that comes with it, this is about staying in your flow on a product like this. What do you want to do? Get in, stay in. It's soft on the eyes, 2880 by 1920 resolution with 267 DPI. How do you create a combination of pixels, performance, thinness, battery life? How does that all come together with constant LTE connectivity? Let me introduce you to the custom Microsoft SQ1 chipset. Let me just get to this, because it's absolutely my favorite feature. Watch this, if you can get this. Holly, take this shot right here. Do you see this? I'm going to open the type cover, and I'm going to pull out the pen that's stored right in it. This is the Surface Slim Pen. Now, what did I do? I just pulled out a pen that's constantly recharging, that's always there for you, and if you want to be in your flow, the minute I pull it out, if you look here on the screen, the whiteboard app opens. This is incredible work by the Windows team, by the Shell team. Right when I pull the pen out, what you end up seeing is, you want to full screen snip this page, you want to get into your notes, what was your thought, how do you write it down? I write every night at 2 a.m. 2 a.m. every night, maybe 3, Mary, we argue about this, but fundamentally, I do write, and that's how I create, and that's where I do my creating and thoughts. That is my piano moment, for sure. And now with Surface Pro X, I just pull the pen out right there. I start writing. I don't have to look for it. It's there forever. I put it in. Once I put it in, it finds its spot. It starts charging. I close it. I take it with me. It is a very, very, very powerful scenario. What do you think? That cool? Like, that's a scenario. Look, Surface Pro X is going to be available Early November. You can pre-order it right now. I suggest if you want it, you should probably pre-order it. So get on that. This is Surface Laptop 3. You can see its craftsmanship. It's meticulously crafted. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But what makes it so beautiful? On a product like this, it's the details you can't see. It's the feeling you get when you're using this product. There's no reference on this product to how it came together. There's no lines. It's soft on the eyes. We talk about what the first read is and how that draws you into the product. When you open it, it's instantly on. It's always available for you. You can see me opening it with one finger and how good that feels just to get in and get what you want done. I now want to show you the new Surface Laptop in this beautiful sandstone finish with a fully integrated aluminum chassis. Now this product, it takes on a beauty all its own. There is no question. When you take a first read of aluminum that is this clean, it is inspiring. There's no finger scoop. There's no speaker holes. There's no rubber bumper around the screen. So Surface Laptop 3 is incredibly powerful. We're using a quad-core 10th gen Intel part, and this is in the 10 nanometer Ice Lake family from Intel, which means you're getting incredible performance in that same thinness and beauty of the product. And to put it in context, it's good to put it in context. If you're using a MacBook Air right now, this product is 3 times more powerful than the MacBook Air. That's just context. Some want more screen real estate, and we've heard it. We've heard it. Now we're excited to announce to you the new Surface 15-inch Laptop 3. Look at that screen. There is nothing out here that compares to it. Nothing. This is a product that feels almost weightless relative to its size. You throw this product in your bag and you move full speed. You want more real estate, more screen, because that's what pushes you to more productivity, because that's your piano keys. Fantastic. Fantastic. And the display itself is so vibrant, you can feel the colors popping off of it. It's virtually pixel free. Now with all that performance and beauty, with all of it, I want to talk to you about another important feature of the product and its battery life. You still get all-day battery life, but I also want to introduce you to fast charging across the entire Surface product line you'll see today. Fast charging is important. Yeah, I heard the wow. What you see there is 80% charge on a full-powered PC in less than an hour. That's what you get in your mobile phone today. The 13-inch laptop is on pre-order right now, as is the 15-inch laptop, with the 13-inch starting at $999 and the 15-inch starting at an amazing $1199. We're pretty excited for you to get it. It'll be in your hands on October 22nd. What do you think?
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline.